before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe. Now we continue.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon.
Okay, let's try this a second time. It didn't record the first time, but this, I would dare say, might be my best mock I've ever made. I definitely like my Ewok one better, but you know, this probably beats it just for, you know, like amount of pieces used. We got like Obi-Wan up here, the boy, he's taking people out. Whack. We got our little ammo crates and guns down here. You know, we got all this going on up here. We got our big old, that's our internet, 5G. And then we got our trees. This one's kind of leaning, you know. Got our boy calling back up. The Ewok helping him. Got our guys over here. Big old vine. There's a snake back there. Some legs. All of the boys. That's their name. The boys. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we got Bob 3 and Ewok number 2 over here. I would argue, yet again, I would argue this is probably the best mock I've made. Let's see if I can get all in there. But let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and go watch my other video and compare this one to my last really big mock. And with that being said, leave a like on this video if you liked it, and peace out. isn't good audio, I'm sure. Spin it around for you guys. Some fun here. Hopefully lighting's good, but probably not. It's all capped off on the side. Right here we got some apples and stuff. Yeah. This thing weighs an absolute ton.